Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete a note from a Google Sheets cell. So as you can see here, we have some notes here, which is really easy to add, but you might not need these notes anymore. In that case, it's really easy to delete the notes. All you have to do is select the cells from where you want to delete the notes. Then right click on those selected cells and you're going to see the option to delete notes. You cannot see it here, you might have to hover over view more selections, but as you can see in this case we can see it here. So if we click on delete notes, as you can see the notes have been deleted and are not visible anymore. So now this is how you can delete a note from a Google Sheets cell. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.